Okay, guys, let me just erase the board quickly. While I'm doing that, please prepare your box on example 2 of our lesson, solve rate problems, page 68, guys. Oh, before we starting our example, guys, if you have any questions about the homework of yesterday, questions 1 and 2, you can put your hand before I start. Or we can do the questions about the homework after we finish, if you want. So let's do it after we finish the idea of the example 2 first. So let's finish the lesson, then we will do the homework if you have exercises. I'll open my camera now. And, sorry, sorry. Yep. Lesson 8. Page 68, guys. Yes, today 5 October. Fine. Now, page 68, guys, yesterday we talked about the rate problems. I want someone to read example number 2, page 68. يلا. يلا هشام, read.
Yes, mister.
يلا, example number 2, Mr. Hisham. يلا. All of you guys, point with your friend, please, so we can understand the question together. Go, ya Hisham.
A bulk food store sells a 12-pound bag of red delicious apples for $18.
Hello. Wait, ya Hisham. So in example 2, guys, the first rate we have here, that we have 12 pounds of whatever, sold for $18. Sold for $18. Continue.
At this rate, what is the price of a 15-pound bag of apples?
Hello. Now the question wants the price of 15 pounds of the same product. The question wants the price of the 15 pound. He gave me, or it gave me the price of 12 pounds. And we want the question or the price of 15 pounds. Now this lesson or this example, guys, I will solve it for you in 2 ways. I'll solve it way 1 and way 2. And you will choose the way which you like. You will choose the way which you like. So we will solve this question, guys, in 2 ways, and we will have the same answers here. And you will choose what you want. You will choose what you want. The first way, guys, and please pay attention here. The first way is turning the unit rate here, the rate here to unit rate. And we know how we turn the rate to unit rate. So 18 over 12 divided by 12 up and down. This will be down 1 pound, up $1.5. Means if the price of 12 pounds is $18, then the price of 1 pound is $1.5. Now I know the price of 1 pound. Can I know the price of 15 pounds? Who can tell me, guys, how we know the price of 15 pounds from the price of 1 pound? Who can tell, guys? I will choose. Yusuf Musa. Yusuf Musa. Yusuf.
Mister, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you, Mister. Yalla, tell me. How we know the price of 15 pounds from the price of 1 pound?
We will multiply $1.5 times 15.
Excellent. We will multiply 15 by 1.5. So 15 pounds, which is the wanted, multiply the price of 1 pound. Yesterday we talked about this idea, which is 1.5. This will be, guys, 22.5 what? Dollars. So the price of 15 pounds is $22.5. Now, this is method 1 or way 1. Way 2, guys, way 2, we'll use something, we did it before, we call it cross product, if you remember. Now to do it, guys, to do way 2, we will take the rate of the question, $18 over 12 pounds, and focus here. The pounds are down and the dollars are up. And we put equal now. And we'll go to the question. What's the question want? What is the price? So the question asked about the money. The money is up, so I'll put my variable up. If they sold how many pounds? 15 pounds. Pounds are down, so we'll put pounds down. 15 pounds. Now, if you remember, guys, we did what? Cross product. So 18 by 15 equals 12 multiply y is 12y. Now 18 by 15, I don't know. I will do multiplication and find the answer. So I'll do multiplication here using my calculator to save time. You are big boys now, you know how to multiply. 18 multiply 15 is 270. 270 equals 12y. But what I will do now, we said we divide both sides on the number which is besides the variable. So here I will divide both by 12 and we cross the similar numbers and we'll make division here. 270 divided by 12 using my calculator also. 270 divided by 12 is exactly 22 decimal 5. So what's the price of, look here guys and look here, we have similar answers. So to do this question, guys, in example 2, the example said if 12 pounds are sold for $18, then what's the price of 15 pounds? We have two ways to do the question. You can use the unit rate, the unit price we call it, then multiply with the wanted number, or take this rate and put proportional. So 18 over 12 equals the unknown value over the 15, then cross the product, then divide. We know how to make the rest of the steps. So this is example 2, guys, page 68. Example 2, page 68. If you don't understand this example, please keep your hand or put your hand. If you do understand it, remove your hand, please. And if you want to write these ways, you can write it now. It's up to you. And in the exams, guys, you can use this one or this one. Don't use both. Don't waste your time. Only one way is enough. Okay, Omar Ala. Yes, Omar.
Mr. You said
Yes,
that,
Omar.
that we must write the money up. If we write it down, what will happen?
It won't be, you won't get the 1 pound. We need to know the price of 1 pound, صح?
Yes.
If you put the money down, you will divide on what here? If the 18 down, you will divide on what?
18.
On 18, you will get $1. It's not useful for me, $1. But the 1 pound is useful because I want 15 pounds to multiply with the price. Got it?
Yes.
So to find the prices or minutes or time, hours, something like this, we always put them down, guys. Okay, to make
Mr.
it.
If
Yes.
we don't have money, if we have pound and minutes or minutes and hours.
No, pound and minutes here depends on the question. What's the question wants you to find? We put it down. Here we found the price of the pounds, so pounds down. Got it?
Yes.
Else. عمر done. طيب. ندور عمر. Omar, I try to unmute you, Omar. Check your mic. I'll try again. طيب, I try, Omar. I don't know what's the matter. Inshallah, later on, I'll try again. But this is example 2, guys. Let's do the check under the example. We have check. Under the example, we have check. Who wanna read, guys? Who can read? Under this example, we have check. I'll try Omar ندور again. طيب nothing. عامر.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا عامر. Can you read for me? Check. Do you understand this example يا عامر?
Yeah.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
يلا. Go to the check. Under this example you have check a question. Read it.
The manager of a small bakery determines that an average of 264 loaves of cinnamon raisin bread and are sold every 12 weeks.
حلو.
At this rate, about
يا
how many
عامر.
loaves of cinnamon?
عامر. Let's prepare the first rate, guys. How many
Yeah.
loaves يا عامر? How many loaves?
264 loaves.
264 loaves in how many weeks?
12.
12 weeks. This is the first rate. So that this store or this bakery sold, or in 12 weeks, it sold how much, guys? 264 loaves. Continue.
At this rate, about how many loaves of cinnamon raisins bread are sold every 5 weeks?
How many loaves in 5 weeks? If Omar, Ala, if you are here, the question here asked me about the weeks. So I asked me how many loaves in 5 weeks. So I put the weeks down. Now, guys, I will do it. Amr, you finished? Thank you. Now, guys, I will do it also in 2 ways. I will do it also in 2 ways. Amr, are you with me? Amr. Okay, Amr muted himself. مش مشكلة. I'll go back to Amr Mdawar. I want to figure out what's the problem. Okay, same. طيب. عبد الحميد علي.
Yes, mister.
يلا عبد الحميد. Can you help me here يا عبد الحميد?
Yes.
I have 264 loaves in 12 weeks. I want to know how many loaves are sold in 5 weeks.
In 2
What
ways
I need
or
to do.
just
Guys,
first?
we'll do it in 2 ways also. So you choose what you want. You choose what you want, okay? The way which you feel that it's easier for you, you can choose it. You can find the unit.
way 1.
Yeah, way 1. What we need to do, ya Abdul Hamid, in way 1?
264 loaves over 12 weeks.
أيوة.
Divide on the denominator up and down.
Which is equal to down will be 1
down,
1 week. And up we will make division, guys.
Division.
And I will help you in the division quickly. 264 divided by 12 is 22. 22 what?
Mister, you stopped screen share.
Now, 22 what?
Yes, 22 loaves.
So, in 1 week, we can sell. We can sell how much?
22 loaves.
Stop. In 5 weeks.
In 5 weeks, 5 multiply 22 loaves.
Which will be 110 loaves. This is way 1. Thank you, Abdul Hamid. Way 2, guys. I will take this one. Okay, I will take the rate 264 loaves in 12 weeks, and we put equal, and we find another, or we prepare another rate. The rate will be the question and the given. The given is 5 weeks. 5 weeks.
5 weeks.
And the question wants how many loaves. So up, I will put what? My variable y or any other letter. I will make now cross product, then multiply, then divide, then we do the rest of the steps and you do them.
264
264 multiply 5 equals 12 multiply y.
equal 12 by y. Multiply by y.
Yeah, 264 guys.
264 multiply by 5 first.
5 is 1320.
1320. After that, 12 divide on 12 both sides.
أيوة. Then
How is
y
that 12?
equal, and I will
Y
divide guys here.
and divide.
1320 divided by 12 exactly 110, which is the same of our answer in the first way, guys. The same of our answer in the first way. So we have in 12 weeks 264 loaves. How many loaves in 5 weeks? Day one we turn it to a unit rate, then multiply, or we make comparing like this: multiply, cross product, multiply, then divide both sides, then the answer will be the same. So if you want to copy, guys, you can copy this answer, one of them, one of the
There is
two
no space
answers,
here, Mr.
you can copy under the check, guys. Go.
I will close my mic.
Sorry. Copy, guys, copy. This is not one, guys. This is the L for the loaves. Fine. Now, guys, there is a student said for me, I think before 2 or 3 days, that he writes slowly, so sometimes he didn't write everything. So, guys, each lesson, it has a video downloaded in your Classera. So if you miss an idea, if you miss a thought, if you miss anything, you didn't follow us, if you miss something to write, you can go to that video, guys, with the same title, and you will find what you want. So the online make it easy to revise and follow us anywhere. So it's a problem you can solve, yani. But now I finished the lesson, guys. This is example 2, and this is the check. I did it both. I did them both in 2 ways. Now I want to ask you if you have any questions about the homework. Yesterday we have 2 questions in the homework. So if you have any questions, guys, about the homework, put your hands, please. We have 2 questions, questions 1 and 2. And I sent the corrections yesterday. Hope you see them. Yeah. Any questions about the homework, guys? If you don't have questions, remove your hands, please. Fine. Any questions about the homework? If you don't have questions, remove your hand. Abdurrahman Sayyid. Abdurrahman. Yes, Abdurrahman.
It is by wrong. Because
Abdurrahman, talk, Habibi, talk quickly with me. Yalla. Do you have questions about the homework?
no.
Huh? Abdurrahman. يا مستر talk with me. Where are you? طيب ماشي زي ما بدك. عامر.
Mr.
Yes, يا عامر.
Yesterday in the homework, you said 1 to 2, and I did say I solve from 1 to 6.
It's okay. Now today we will finish the page. And yesterday you check your inbox in Classera. Did you check your inbox in Classera, يا عامر? عامر. انتوا وين بتروحوا؟ طب بحكي معكم انا. عامر where are you؟
Yes, mister.
Mister, I'm talking with you. Why you are? طيب. هلا did you check your classera yesterday, the inbox, or today?
Yes, yes.
طيب, you will find attachment. In the attachment, you will find the solutions of the first two questions, right?
Right.
Today, inshallah, you will find the others. So check the questions which you did in yesterday. خلاص?
Okay.
So just wait for today, inshallah. Thank you. طيب. عمر علاء. محمود جندي, I will come to you. Just wait.
Mr.
عمر, just wait والله. عمر معلش, wait. محمود الجندي, are you here? محمد آسف. I'm sorry. محمد.
Yeah, mister.
Yes, محمد.
I
What's your
don't
question?
understand question 2. I mean
Question
one.
2. Hello.
One.
Omar, just wait. Let me finish with Muhammad, then I will back to you.
One, I
طيب.
don't understand question 1.
محمد.
Mr. Guess the question 1.
خلاص خلينا نشتغل question 2 ونرجع ل question 1. ماشي؟
Okay.
يلا محمد, read question 2. So guys, we are in question 2 in the practice page. So if you don't understand it, Muhammad asked me about. So you can follow us here. يلا. محمد, read.
Skylar and Rodrigo each recorded how far they traveled. While skateboarding, Skylar traveled 65 feet in 5 seconds, and Rodrigo traveled 108 feet in 8 seconds. How much farther did Rodrigo travel per second than Skylar?
Hello. Look at the board, ya Muhammad. While you are reading the question, I prepared my rates for Skylar and Rodrigo. Do you understand how I prepare my rates?
Yeah.
يلا. Skylar can travel 65 feet in 5 seconds, and Rodrigo can travel 108 feet in 8 seconds, right? And if you read the questions, the question wants us to know how much Skylar can travel farther than. What's the meaning of farther than?
More than.
You know what's the meaning of farther than?
No.
In Arabic words, farther than means أبعد. يعني مين اللي يمشي أكتر. عرفت? In 1 second. So let's see in 1 second both of them. Let's see both of them in 1 second. Then we will compare between them. Now I cannot compare because this in 5 seconds and this in 8 seconds. But here, if I turn for Skylar, how I turn it, ya Muhammad, in unit rate, what I need to do?
Could I do the product way?
I will what?
I will turn
Muhammad.
it to unit rates.
How?
By cross product.
لا. To turn by unit rate يا محمد.
Unit rates.
Yes, unit rate. شو نعمل؟
By denominator.
Not multiply يا محمد.
I mean divide.
Divide يا محمد. يلا look here. I know you know, but you forget. It's okay. Look here. So 165 over 5. I will turn it to unit rate divided by 5 up and down. See? Down will be 1. 1 what?
1 second.
1 second. Up 65 divided by 5 is how much feet?
13 feet.
13 feet. So Skylar in 1 second, he can travel how many feet?
13 feet per second.
Per 1 second. Let's do it the same for Rodrigo now. Rodrigo. Yeah, I'll do the same. 108 feet over 8 seconds. Divide down by 8, up by 8. This will be down 1 second. And up, if you divide 108 divided by 8, 13 decimal 5 feet. Hello?
Yes.
Now I will ask you some questions here and you will answer me. How many feet Skylar in 1 second?
13 feet in 1 second.
حلو. Rodrigo in 1 second.
13.5 per second.
Who can travel more in 1 second? Rodrigo or Skylar? Rodrigo. By how much more?
0.5.
By half feet. How we get the half feet? We subtract 13.5 minus 13. Got it? So 13.5 minus 13 is 0.5 feet per 1
second.
Per 1 second. So Rodrigo can travel more than Skylar in 1 second. How much feet? Nus feet, half feet. Got it?
Half feet.
Do you understand it now?
Yeah.
Good boy. Question 1 for Omar. Question 1. So guys, again, if you don't understand question 1, we will do it now. So please focus with us. We did question 2 with Muhammad al-Jundi here, and we'll do question 1 with Omar Ala now. Read, ya Omar. Where are you, Omar? Put your hand, Omar.
Mr. The question for me, it was question 2, and I understand question 1.
Really?
Yes.
Stop. Anyone for question 1, guys? If you don't understand it, tell me. It's okay. We have time. Huh? Me. Who said me? Muhammad? طب read يا محمد. يلا روح. Read.
Mr. Anderson is ordering pizzas for a class pizza party. Pizza place has a special where you can buy 3 large pizzas for $18.75. At Mario's Pizzeria, he can buy 4 large pizzas for $22. If he needs to buy 12 pizzas, how much will he save if he buys the pizzas from Mario's Pizzeria instead of Pizza's Palace?
خلاص يا محمد تعبت أنت. Look here. While you are reading, I tried to prepare the plates for the pizza place and the Mario's place. Anderson needs to buy how many pizza? 12 pizza. خلاص? Anderson بده يشتري 12 pizza, and he has 2 choices here to buy from, 2 stores. Can you give me how many the pizzas in the pizza place, the first rate in the question?
3 large pizzas for
$18.75. Look here, I will make my rate now. 3 pizzas in how many dollars? 18.
Additional $75.
صح؟ طب the Mario's pizza, how at this store, what's the pizza? How many pizzas?
4 large pizzas for $22.
For $22. مظبوط؟ طيب. Now Anderson needs to buy how many pizzas? 12 pizza. Let's make advice for Anderson. Which store he will? هلا if you were instead of Anderson, you will search about the lower price, right?
Yeah.
يعني الأحسن إني أختار السعر الأقل مش هيك؟ But here I cannot compare. Here I have 3 pizzas in 18, 4 pizzas in 22. So I need to make them unit price so I can compare between the 2 shops. Got me?
Yeah.
Look here what I will do now. Look here. See, here I will work for pizza place. And here I will work for the other shop which is called Mario's Pizza. خلاص يا محمد معاي؟ Let's start with the pizza place. I will turn the rate to unit rate. Then I will see how much the price of the 12 pizza in the first one. Got it?
Got it.
يلا 18 decimal 5 over 375 divided by 3 divided by 3. ماشي يا محمد؟
ماشي.
Down will be 1 ايش؟
1 pizza.
Up, if you divide these two numbers, it will be 6.25. So the price of one pizza in the pizza place is how much? Decimal
$6.25.
25. But if I know the price of one pizza, can I know the price of the 12 pizzas?
Yeah.
How I will know? What I will do?
Turn it into unit rates.
I multiply it with the unit rate. So 12 multiply 6.25 equals, let's multiply these two numbers quickly. Do you understand, ya Muhammad?
Yeah.
It will be $75. So the price of these 12 pizzas, which Mr. Anderson wants to buy, how much in pizza place?
$75.
Let's see how much the price of the 12 pizza in Mario's. Using the same steps, I will turn it to unit, then multiply. Got it?
Got it.
Yalla, 22 over 4 divided by 4 divided by 4. Down will be one pizza. And 22 divided by 4, it is $5.5. So, the price of one pizza in Mario's Pizza is how much? 5.5. But the price of the 12 pizza, how much?
12 multiplied 5.5.
5.5. Let's check 12 multiply 5.5. 12 multiply 5.5 is $66. Got it? Now look at the board. Now the price of the 12 pizzas in pizza place is how much?
75.
In Mario's place, how much?
66.
Anderson, which place he will choose?
The $66.
The Mario's place, the Mario, because this price is lower than this price, right?
Right.
How much he will save between the two prices, ya Muhammad? What we will do to know how much he will save. كم حيوفر يعني؟
66 minus 75.
لا, 75 minus 66. The bigger minus the smaller. Got it?
Got it.
Yalla, 75 minus 66 is 9 what?
$9.
$9. So Anderson, if he buys from Mario's, he will save how many dollars?
$9.
Yeah, نكتب he will save $9. This is a question 1. Got it?
Got it.
So this is question 1, guys, and that's question 2. And try
So
to
could I check my answers?
what?
Could I see the answers for question 1 and 2 because I want to check my answers?
Mister, I sent my corrections to your Classera. Do you open your Classera?
Okay, I'll see it.
See the Classera, and you can see it in my WhatsApp if you have my number. So
Okay.
here, this is question 2 and this is question 1. Type. This is the lesson, guys, of solving great problems, and inshallah today you will do the other questions in the homework, questions 3, 4, 5, and 6, guys. So today you will do questions 3, 4, 5, and 6 in the same page and do the same steps, send them on my Classera and wait my attachments to check your answers. Okay, guys? طيب أحمد بردويل.
Mr. I wanted just to answer question 1 because I didn't know it and now I knew it from Jundi and you.
Good. Good boy. طيب إياد.
Me?
Yes, يا إياد. You put your hand.
Page what?
Page 68 يا إياد. The homework page 71, sorry.
Page 71.
Yes, 71 حبيبي. Record it. 71. The homework, page 71. The practice page. Yesterday we did 1 and 2. Today we'll do inshallah 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the lesson, guys. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Don't forget that, guys, that in the last 2 periods this week, اللي هم Tuesday, the lesson of tomorrow, and Thursday, we have revision exercises, and we'll do revision exercises about chapter 1. So please, from tonight, guys, try to prepare for me questions for tomorrow. So if you don't understand any questions during the chapter, you can ask me in Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much. Omar, you can stop the recording.